This is Carol Roy, live at VMworld 2010, and with me right now I've got Josh Stevens of SolarWinds. And Josh, I love your title, Vice President of Technology and Head Geek. You have the business cards to prove it.
I do.
Now tell us a little bit about what you guys are seeing in terms of community. You and I talked about this a little bit. That's one of your big areas of focus as the VP of Technology at SolarWinds. What does community mean to you, and how do you service it?
Well, to me, community means any sort of connection that a user has into our company. So whether that's a membership in our community website, thwack.com, a user of a free tool, an attendee to a webcast or a free training event, or even someone who just stops by a booth and sees us at a trade show, once someone has connected themselves to our company and they begin really sort of interacting with us and our technologies, I consider them to be sort of part of our community. And of course, there are many larger communities out there in the world of network engineers, system administrators, and VMware experts. And to me, our community is an overlay of those people that also have a connection back to us at SolarWinds.
So as the VP of Technology, aside from monitoring the community, what are some of the things that you take care of for SolarWinds?
Well, one of the things I do is I help provide some direction and strategy around product roadmap, working with our product management teams and our R&D teams. We really focus on providing tools that solve problems for our customers, and really we get most of that feedback directly from our community of users out there. I also, of course, provide a lot of free education for the community. Our community users really like to be educated on the latest technology and trends. So by working with them offline, I'm able to find out what areas of interest they have. We turn those into free webcasts and technology training. We can then go out and share best practices around things that they want to know about.
Now you today at VMworld were on a panel. You participated this morning and it was completely booked, sold out. There were about 100 people in line clamoring to get in. What were some of the hot topics that were discussed on that panel?
We talked today about Virtualization 101, some best practices for managing virtualization. We talked a lot about storage area networks and the bottlenecks we're starting to see in data centers today. We talked a lot about single pane of glass management, the need to have visibility at the network layer, the apps and server layer, the virtualization layer, and the storage layer. And we talked a lot about what it takes for a vendor to be successful in today's market, and how organizations are really looking for more than a vendor, looking for a partner that will help own their problems and work with them closely to help solve them. And of course, that's something we've done here at SolarWinds since day one.
And you've been with SolarWinds for well over a decade, correct?
That's right, that's right.
And what is the thing that most makes SolarWinds stand out from other companies on the market?
That's a tough question. We're very different than most other organizations. First of all, when you compare us to other applications like ours, our applications are super easy to use. You can download them for free from SolarWinds.com and try them out for yourself, have them up and running in under an hour. And anytime someone asks me to compare our software with any of our competitors, it's an easy answer. Download them both and try them. If you like their solution better, then you'll buy it. That's okay. But 99 times out of 100, if you actually try our applications, you'll fall in love with them. The software is very inexpensive. You can find the prices right there on the website. It's easy to try, easy to buy, and easy to use. But the thing that really makes us different is we have this close commitment to our community. We provide interaction with them every single day. There are people at SolarWinds that spend their entire livelihood just interacting with those community members. And that gives us a clear direction to understand how to develop products, what changes need to be made, what problems need to be solved, and that's really what separates us from the rest of the pack.
Josh, thanks so much for spending some time with us today. I appreciate it. And folks can go to the website, SolarWinds.com, for more information, correct?
Absolutely. Thanks, Carol.